Thank you, Gussie, to tell me about the smiling critters. This is my first time drawing kick in chicken. If you know about the smiling critters, guys, tap that like button right now for me to agree. Listen, little ones, little child, hear me now. Don't forget to be kind to yourself by not eating too much candy and go to your bed on time. Remember, no candy at bedtime and brush your teeth. Tell yourself every day, I love myself. And remind your parents that you love them too and thanking them for taking care of you. Remember now, it's never too good to always be inside and not play with your friends. Only play with your games. No, that is not good. Put the games down. Go and play with your friends in your yard or in their yard. Remember to follow. See you in the next one.